Today's video is a 3 restores on one tool. What are you talking about? The definition restoration is a broad term, especially with tools. For instance, with this one, all I need to do is just give it a light dusting, a sharpen, and restored to working condition. Some people might say, well, if you're going to go to the effort, you can at least get the rust off it and clean up a bit better, oil it, and make it look like it's maintained. And a third definition of restoration might be, let's make it look like it's come out of the factory, repainted, shiny. So the question is, how far do you go? You tell me in the comments, what do you prefer? It's missing a fence, and I've just realised that it's got a cracked sole. It's never going to look like a brand new tool, and that will influence how far I go. Not properly sharpened. It's sharpened just enough to use, so I'll leave that there for restoration level 1. Plane's missing a fence, so I'm using a temporary one. Got the depth stop set. Let's see how it works. Okay, that restore is to the point where it works. Next step, de-rust and tune up. Okay, that's got a initial bevel. There's a couple little tiny pits on the back, but they're not right up against the edge, so they don't really matter. What I'm going to do now is polish that surface up a little bit and then put a proper edge on it. You know, I quite like this finish, and this level of restore. It's probably what I'd leave it at, but I'm committed. I'm going to replace the missing fence, and I'm going to paint it. Okay, last coat. Okay, I'm going to let that paint dry a bit, and then I'm going to reassemble, install my new fence, and do a final test. That's my first attempt. That's my second attempt. That's my third attempt. So that's my 3 restores. The first one, I clean and restore to working order. The second one, a complete rust removal and tune up. This is my go-to level. And finally, level 3, replace missing parts and restore the paint. To tell you the truth, I would have stopped level 2, but I'm really happy with how level 3 turned out. The cracked sole is hidden in plain sight, and quite frankly, doesn't affect the tool's operation. Tell me what you think. Should I have tried to take it to level 4? Showroom? Do you have any questions about my techniques or suggestions for improvements? It's a fun restore. Thanks for watching. See you next week.